Hey, what's up? What's up? This is Lonnie here, Playbook Mastery. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that like and share button so you can get all the cool information and follow me along on this journey of Clickbank and my lead gen to going from zero to $300 a week. So anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about my lead gen first. Then we'll go into Clickbank. Then go into my results, and then that'll be that for today. So my lead gen is a service, an email service that you get 100 leads per day that you can use to send to pretty much business offers. So that's what this whole program is about, me sending my lead gen leads to business offers. So you can drip feed up to you can drip feed. What drip feed means is you can these emails will go out on a time basis during the day to try to help you get the maximum results. This happens every 24 hours. The biggest thing about this, you want to make sure you're sending them out at the same time every day. That will help you increase the chances of you getting sales. You can also only send these emails out once a day, and that's because of the spam laws, and you don't want somebody just out spamming these lists all day, every day. You also can earn $5 a month on residual income by referring somebody to my lead gen. And if you refer 5 people, you can get a bonus of bonus of $100. Paid by a check, PayPal, or however else you want it. The best way that I'm using this service is I have multiple accounts. I actually have 10 accounts, but I'm using 5 accounts for this particular project. The other ones I'm using for different things that I'm testing, but this one's 5 accounts. And in those 5 accounts, I am promoting a ClickBank offer, which is a chat job. So the best way to get these 5 accounts to get the most bang for your buck is to do what we call link chaining. Link chaining is what you see here, 5 accounts. What you want to do is link one with two. It'll give this account 200 and this account 200. You do the same thing here. 3 with 2, 4 with 3, 5 with 4. Now, the only issue here is this is where you need to refer somebody to get that other back end so you get all of your accounts at $200. So this will give you 7,000 leads per week to promote to your offers. The thing about promoting my lead gen is it takes a little bit of time to really get things going. If you've been following along in my case study, you'll see I'm not, just because I'm making all these accounts doesn't mean that I'm making like boogabs of sales every day. It doesn't work like that. You gotta build, they gotta see your account multiple times before they even attempt to even buy. So all right, so with that being said, we'll go right into it. So the next step in here, when you get in here, there's one thing that I want you to know. There's if you do buy my lead gen, they have a swipe file, master swipe file. I don't recommend you buying a my leads swipe file simply because you got this thing called ChatGPT, which can pretty much create any email to your imagination. So I wouldn't get it. I would just use ChatGPT. So here, like I said, my account has 200 leads. Take those leads in today's email that I use here. And I'm using a style called, was it PAS, which is pain, agitation, and solution. It's a very common way of marketing is used. You see it. If you don't know, you see this probably all the time in different forms of marketing. Best way I can use it is use the Allstate commercial, which is my favorite, which is Mayhem, and he's running through cars and all kinds of stuff. But but basically the premise is you need insurance. So, and that's basically what my emails are designed for. So what I do is I use the swipe files here. I'll pick a different swipe file, and then I do something I think is clever. So I've been using ChatGPT, and I asked it to find out who are the top copywriters, and I've been asking ChatGPT each day to take one of the copywriters that they say is the best, along with this email, and I'll have chat read the email, and then I'll have them to rewrite an email in the style of that particular copywriter, just to see how well that can work, how much it can improve. So that's what I've been doing. I'm getting some good success from it. So so when we break down my emails, like I said, this is the way I break down my emails. I also put a signature in here, which you can get here. It's free. You can build your own signature. So like what I'm trying to do is in my accounts, I try to I have two puppies in here. Sorry. I try to get the make my sales from MLGS, from Clickbank first, and then on the side while I'm promoting, I throw MLGS in the mix too, so you can cover two birds with one stone. So to make sure you're getting your 200 leads in that last account. So that's how I have my other 200 leads. Sorry about that. That's how I have my other two leads, because that's how that's my offset. All right, so let's go back to that. We use eBusiness, and then I tie that with this here this company, which is Chat Leads, and they also show you their upsells, downsells. So some of these I haven't hit a 97, which would be nice, or 67. I've only been in like the 30s, 3,000, 30 somewhere. 37, 47, somewhere along the lines. I've been hitting stuff like that. So then, the last but not least, today. So today, have to say, I was not excited about today. I thought I was gonna get a sale today, but I didn't. So it's one of those things it's a growing in progress. So the one thing I can say is I've been consistent this week about getting the emails out. Now it's just consistency. So if you notice, you'll see I've seen as many as 3 days no sales, then a sale, 2 days sale, 2 days sale, 1 day, 2 days. I'm figuring that I'll probably get a sale over the weekend, is because it seems like I've been getting those lately. So I'm going to err on that, and hopefully Monday I'll have something better to tell you about getting some sales. But anyway, that's it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments. I'm here. It's a work in progress. 90 days. I got a long way to go. All right, I'll see you on the next one.